Ken Griffey Jr., 10 embossed all-metal collector cards, metallic impressions. Flea market finds, got 2 of them for 12 a piece today. Let's check them out. Look at this, man. Certificate of Authenticity, set number 8720, 1996. Wow. Look at these. It's like they're regular cards, but with just these metal casings on them. Oh, going back.